Fritz Kreisler was a world-famous violinist. He earned a fortune with his concerts and compositions, but he generously gave most of it away. So when he discovered an exquisite violin on one of his trips, he wasn't able to buy it. After having raised enough money to meet the asking price, he returned to the seller hoping to purchase the beautiful instrument. But to his great dismay, it had been sold to a collector. Kreisler made his way to the new owner's home and offered to buy the violin, but the collector said it had become his prized possession and he would not sell it. Desperately disappointed, Kreisler was about to leave when he had an idea. Could I play the instrument once more before it is consigned to silence? Permission was granted, and the great virtuoso filled the room with such heart-moving music that the collector's emotions were deeply stirred. I have no right to keep that to myself. It's yours, Mr. Kreisler. Take it into the world and let the people hear it. Can't help but think of the Christ follower and the good news of Jesus. We have something of eternal beauty and value, but we tend to keep him stored privately in our hearts. Oh, we'll take him out and look at him and marvel at him on Sunday morning. We'll even encourage others on those mornings to see how beautiful he is and how good he is to us. But then we neatly tuck him back into a place in our hearts that keeps us warm and content and secure. We have such a sense of peace that we have Christ in our hearts and lives. Paul said that he was compelled to share the gospel. Gratitude for his own salvation drove him to share Christ with everyone. What does our lack of urgency say about our love for people? What does our lack of urgency say about our genuine love for Jesus? Loved ones, we have no right to keep the beauty of Jesus to ourselves. Let's play the music. Just a thought.